Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 of our PR vlogs. So we're getting ready right now and then we're gonna go to a restaurant called Choco Bar. There's supposed to be like desserts there and food, so that'll be a really good time. And by getting ready, I mean just waiting on everyone else to finish getting ready because I'm already ready. We're about to head over, finally.
You got your mask?
Yeah. We're not used to stairs. We don't have stairs where we're from. It smells like beach. Keymaster needs help sometimes.
Even Keymaster needs some help.
Okay, which way?
I don't know. This way?
Look at that. Oh. Okay, so he just told us that it'll be like 5 minutes, so we're just gonna wait now because we don't want to eat outside. It's gonna be so cold. I mean, so hot, I wish. We just got in. Now I can take off my hat. Oh, so nice to have AC. Oh, breath of fresh air. Surprisingly, I mean, my mask does have makeup on it, but it's not as disgusting as Allison's.
What?
My mask isn't as disgusting as yours.
Mine has makeup on it.
Well, yours is white too.
Yeah. It's actually yours. I got out of your car one time.
Now that I'm vaccinated,
You can wear a little thin one.
yeah, I just wear thin ones. I used to have like a filter and everything, but I just don't really care about that now.
I just try to stay away from people in general. Even though I'm not vaccinated, but I try to stay away from people. I
Love a
like
good.
that they took the 6 feet rule away because I don't want anyone to be 6 feet close to me.
Yeah. Just got our scooters. We just finished eating and so now we are on our way to go find scooters to take to the beach because it's like a 30-minute walk, so it should be like maybe a 10-minute scooter ride depending on traffic. Hopefully we don't get crashed into. We just made it on the scooters to the beach. It's definitely a lot more crowded than the other beach. At least there's places to rinse your feet off here. Okay, so my camera died when we were in the middle of snorkeling, but we ate some food at the house and now we are going out to find ice cream or something to eat for dessert. We just got some ice cream from a little cart over there, and I got coconut with tropical fruit flavor.
I got tropical fruit and pineapple.
Pretty good, and it was only $3 each, so cheaper than Cold Stone. It's the next day. Welcome to day 3 vlog here in PR, our PR vlogs. So I need to charge my GoPro right now. I'm just gonna go eat some cereal because I can't eat out every meal, and hopefully we'll go have dinner somewhere tonight. We're planning on going to the forts and going to the pool or going back to the close beach. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We're on our way to the Italian restaurant. We're going to some Sophia's place for Italian food. Trying to get some pasta. I've been trying to get some pasta since last night, so that's finally gonna happen, hopefully. Is this it? We are here.
How are you 93.7? I was in 2006, I was like 9 grand. Alright, so.
It's like happily devoured, but
She's want to try out this guy. Just outdo myself.
I feel like I didn't even eat that much of it, but I'm so full. Jordan devoured that per usual. The 5 mozzarella sticks are gone. Devoured. Just kidding, guys. Said my ticket box. We just got back to the Airbnb and got our stuff, and now we are going to go to the forts and then go check out the pool at the hotel. Here we are. Look at. All right, typical things. We just got some pictures in that little bikini, and now we are headed up.
All right, so we're in the fort now. That's where we live.
We're going up the tunnel. Maybe we'll see some iguanas. Yeah, probably. That's what we paid $10 for. Our tickets are good for 24 hours, so we can come back tomorrow as long as it's before like whatever time it is now. Okay, I also just found a really cool fish type animal thingy in the water, so I'm gonna go show you guys. Well, that flat animal fish swam away, so unfortunately you guys don't get to see it. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's red. Like, look how big these waves are that are coming in. Alright, so we just made our way up to the rooftop pool, and there's supposed to be a bar, but they're closed, I'm guessing because of coronavirus, so that's unfortunate. Oh, look, there's a roof there. Wow, so we're kind of at, like, the top of the city right now. I'll rinse my foot off. God, it's like going all sorts of sides. I have a blister on my toe from those shoes with the sand, and it hurts so bad. Like a random area. Oh, there's a bathroom up there. There's a seating area. Whoop. And you can also see the like inlet area over there. Got like a little aloe plant or something here. Another seating area. I showed you guys earlier like that house thing with the plants growing all inside of it, and there it is. This is such a good view. Wow, look at that pineapple. That's crazy. I've never seen one on a pineapple tree. Wow, views. Alright, so we just DoorDashed food to the rooftop pool. We went swimming for a few minutes, and then it got dark, and then it started to get cold, so we came out and dried off. Now we're done eating, and we're gonna walk back to the Airbnb. That was pretty much our day 3. So yeah, don't forget to watch our next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye guys.